Okay, so we're going to do the room tour, and we are at 1822. Here's the first glance of our room, and nice big spacious room. There's our door. Got our little out catching thrills, and we are sleeping. Please don't bother us sign. Magnetic, cool. There's our little warning stuff. A couple of hooks for some coats and whatever you want to hang. Let's go ahead and start in the bathroom. All right, the bathroom. Voyager T is avoiding all contact with the video camera right now because she's working. So here's our tube shower, our bank tube shower, where you get in there and it sucks you into another floor. There is our sink, little spaces down there, trash cans, extra toilet paper storage for all of our toiletries, nice big mirror to see our faces, and commode. Let's see what this shower is. It's not bad, nice and spacious. You can see me in the window here. There I am in the shower. Can you see me? There I am. So, not too bad. Oh, also has some hangers for you to hang your towels and stuff. Okay, so now we're at the closet. There was the bathroom, and right next to it is our closet space. Lots of shelves all the way down. These are stationary. They do not fold up, so. And then here is where we hang our clothes. It's a double, pretty big. So that's for both of us. Sometimes they have separate. This is just one big closet. Obviously there's our life preservers. Nice big area for shoes. So that's really cool. And I don't think this side, that's all there is to that right there. Right here by our vanity mirror. Here is the safe. Here are some extra storage areas. Shelving. Right here is another shelf. Some more space right there. And then they have some more drawers right here. One. Oh yeah, and they got those nice little clothes, that slow closing. I like that. There those are. Obviously you saw where the hairdryer was. Has a chair and some storage for paperwork and whatever you want to put there. And this should be our refrigerator, and it is. Open that up. Not very big, pretty small. I don't know why they would have a space that high up. Maybe it adjusts. Yeah, you can pull that off and move it down, but I don't see how you could hold a Coke that far up. So there is the vanity area, shelving all the way through there. Okay, let's go over to the other side. Here is our full length mirror. Good Lord, I don't want to see that. Light, little picture, and this is our sofa. Looks like it's got a pink stain on it. Kool-Aid or something, maybe wine, I don't know. Some spillage happened here. End tables, the bed, which is basically two twin beds that they push together to form a king. There is our TV, and then as we walk across here, a couple of lights, another end table on this side. And this is a first for us. We've had ocean view rooms before, but never, mostly they're always balconies. This is not a balcony, this is just one giant window. And it's spooky because you can stand up right here, and this glass, if you can see at an angle, it leans out towards the ocean. So when you stand up on this thing and you look straight down, you see the ocean. Whew, that makes you feel a little funny inside. Oh yeah, pit of my stomach just dropped out. But yeah, there's our room. I'll take a quick turn around and let you see it as a whole. I'll allow Tiffany to come out of the bathroom now because she does not want to be taped at this moment. So there is room 1822. It is on deck 12 towards the front of the ship. And so far I like it. So yeah, there is room 1822, the ocean view extra spacious room. I think that's what they call it. So anyway, bye bye.